How to use NBA League Pass on Smart TV. I'm going to show you how to install and use NBA League Pass in just a few simple steps. First is we need to install the NBA app. Turn on your smart television, make sure it's connected to the internet of course, and then open the App Store. It could be either Samsung Smart Hub, LG Content Store, Google Play Store, Roku Play Store, or whatever Play Store your smart television has. Now search the NBA app and then click on install. Open the NBA app, and after the installation, sign in and enter your NBA League Pass account details. Once logged in, browse through live games, replays, and highlights, and you're good to go. But if the app isn't available on your smart TV, use a streaming device like Fire Stick, Roku, Apple TV, or Chromecast to access the League Pass simply from your phone to your TV.